Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a white outline using Canva. If you want your subject to pop off the canvas, a clean white outline is one of the quickest ways to get that bold, modern look that instantly grabs attention. It works perfectly for thumbnails, social posts, stickers, and product highlights, especially for Shopify store owners who want their products to stand out in ads, collections, or featured images. This simple effect can dramatically improve clarity and professionalism without any design experience. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can follow along and get a polished result in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your project in Canva and make sure the image you want to outline is on the canvas. This could be a product photo, a person, or any subject you want to highlight. Click the image to select it. Now remove the background so we can isolate the subject. Look for the background remover and apply it. Canva will analyze the image and strip away the backdrop, leaving just your subject. Give it a moment to process. If the edges need a little help, like around hair, hands, or small details, take a second to tidy them up within the background remover tools so the subject looks clean and precise. The cleaner the cutout, the better your outline will look, and the more professional your final design will feel. With the background gone and your subject isolated, click the image again to make sure it's selected. Open the edit options, then head to the effects area and find the shadow section. Inside shadows, choose the outline option. This is where the magic happens. By default, Canva may apply a colored outline, but we want a crisp white look that works across almost any background. Change the outline color to white using the color picker. You should instantly see your subject framed with a bright, even border that separates it from the background, making it easier to read and more eye-catching, especially in crowded feeds or busy product pages. To refine the look, adjust the size and intensity of the outline. Size controls how thick that border appears. A larger size gives you a bold, sticker-like edge that's great for ads and thumbnails, while a smaller size keeps it subtle and refined for more premium or minimalist designs. Intensity will deepen or soften how strong the outline reads against your design. Play with these sliders until your subject feels balanced within your layout and complements the rest of your design rather than overpowering it. If you're working against a busy background, a slightly thicker outline often improves legibility and keeps your subject from blending in. If your background is clean or light, a thinner outline can look more professional and polished. Take a moment to zoom in and scan around the edges. Make sure the outline is consistent and that the subject's contours look natural. If anything feels off, nudge the size or intensity again until it sits just right. And that's it. You've isolated your subject, added a white outline, and fine-tuned the thickness and intensity for a clean, standout finish that looks great across ads, product images, and social content. Save your project when you're happy and you're done. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you're building a Shopify store or creating content regularly, make sure to subscribe for more quick, practical tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.